In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on TradeStation. Since I don't have a direct access to the platform, I've searched the process using TradeStation's help articles and general stock trading knowledge. So let's walk through the step by step of placing a stock order on TradeStation. So listen carefully as I explain each steps. So assumingly we have a TradeStation account in here. So make sure you fund your account through bank transfer, wire transfer, or ACH deposit. So if you're using the web version, look for a search bar where you can enter stock symbols. And then if you are using the desktop platform, stocks can be accessed via the matrix, trade bar, or order entry tools. Now, use the search bar to enter stock ticker symbol. For example, AAPL for Apple. And then this should bring up a stock overview page with a real-time charts. And then market data and order options. Now, click buy to open the order entry panel and then enter the number of shares you want to buy. And then choose an order type. It could be a market order if you want to buy at the current market price. You can also choose the limit order that sets a specific price at which to buy, or the stop order that triggers a buy when the stocks reaches a certain price, or the GTC or good till cancelled that keeps the order active until executed or manually cancelled. And then double check all details including the stock ticker, quantity, and order type, and then click place order or submit to execute the trade. So once your order is filled, you can view your holdings in the portfolio or position tab, and you can set up alerts, trailing stops, or take a profit levels to manage your investment. And that's how you buy stocks on TradeStation. At least based on the best research available, since I don't have a full access to the platform, these steps are assumed based on standard trading practices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.